have the drills double checked, and now I'm going to pack them up in a little pouch. Well, it's a big pouch. This particular diamond painting has 129 colors, so it took me a while to pack them all. And now I just want to get them a little flat so they're not all at the end of the bag, or the bottom of the bag, the end of the bag, because I'm doing this vertically, horizontally, and get them all evened out to make for easier packing in the pouch. And I do have this one bag of almost 12,000 drills. I'll put that in last at the end. Okay. Kind of even a little bit. And I'm going to open this one up and then get rid of a little bit of air if I can. And then seal it the best that I can. Stick it in here. Alright, and then I have some double-sided tape to seal up the end and then the edge. I should probably put the phone above me instead of in front of me so you can see what I'm doing. Now I want to make this as smooth as I possibly can at the end here. And I like the extra flap here to tuck in to help keep all the drills in an order. And now I have this double-sided tape. You know, I have not been able to find these bags. When I go onto websites to look for these bags, the opening is always at the end. And I need the bag to open lengthwise, and I have not been able to find any that open lengthwise, so I make my own. You know, I should take a bag that opens like this and contact a local company that makes these bags and ask them to make one for me that is horizontal, that opens on the side and not the end. Then I'd probably have to buy it in the thousands because manufacturers don't want to make just a few. Thanks for watching.